How to convert WooCommerce to Shopify web migration. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back to yet another video, and in this video we're going to be discussing on how you're going to convert your WooCommerce to your Shopify in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So to allow yourself to do this, or to allow yourself to convert WooCommerce to Shopify, what you are going to be doing is, first of all, you are going to go over to your plugins over here. Once you go over to your plugins, over here, you're going to go in the search bar and you're going to write WP migration. And after that, you're going to get WP all-in-one migration. This is the one I'm talking about. It's the most popular migration platform, and you can basically move, transfer, copy, and migrate a site with one click. So you're going to basically download this. What this does is you're going to migrate your site and it's going to give you a certain type of code. Okay. And you're going to take that code and you're going to paste it into your Shopify's embedded codes. And once you do that, that is how you are going to import your WordPress or, convert your WooCommerce to your Shopify. So that's how you do web migration. I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.